Hello guys, today we are looking at the BU-353N-10Hz, the USB GPS receiver. So the BU-353N, the standard version, is 1 Hz. This is the 10 Hz version. You can see it says 10 Hz on the box. It shows some specs, some more specs, the OS it works with. Let's see what's inside. So inside you have the main unit. As you can see, it says 10 Hz and it is USB. There is also the user manual and it comes with a suction cup. So now let me show you how to use this device with your PC or computer. So on your computer, you will type in device manager. And then you would connect your device to your computer. As you can see now, there should be ports, COM and LPT. It should say prolific PL2303GC USB serial COM port, COM8. So this means the device is connected. Sometimes it will show exclamation mark saying you don't have the latest driver. You can right click, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and it should install the latest driver. If that does not work, you can go to the website www.globalsat.com.tw, and then you will go to support up here, and then you can click on that BU-353N, and you can download the latest driver here for Windows, Mac, Linux. Also, from the same support page, you can download GPS info tool for Windows. So you click to download it. It should open up on your download folders. Then double click the application. More info, run anyway. So this tool is used to just check if your device is working. As you can see on the device manager, it says COM port 8. So on GPS info, you will choose COM port 8, and then you can click start GPS. As you see, no data is coming out. So you close the GPS because this is a 10 Hz version, and since it's a 10 Hz version, you have to change the baud rate to 115200 right here. So once it's at 115200 baud rate, you can press start GPS and you can see all the NMEA data coming out. Also on the device, it will have a red light, meaning it has power. If it is blinking, it means it has a GPS fix. If it is solid red, it means it does not have a GPS fix, and it is recommended to put this device by a window or an open sky. But as you can see, GPS info is showing the device is working. So you will simply close GPS info, open your navigational tool, select the correct COM port, and make sure the baud rate is 115200, and it should be working.